Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on HONOR X7A. To do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store and here in search enter Firefox. When it's ready, click on the open. Right here we can customize the browser by signing in to turn on synchronization, choosing your theme, picking a toolbar placement, switching between different privacy protection settings, and reading privacy notice. Lastly, click on start browsing, open any website, and as you can see, this browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.